Imagine if every dollar in your bank account could simultaneously work to shrink your mortgage while still being available for your business or for your investments. For savvy professionals, mortgage interest is one of life's biggest financial drains. What if there was a way to turn that drain into an advantage? Enter the all-in-one loan, an innovative financing solution designed by experienced homeowners and mortgage professionals to overcome the inefficiencies of traditional loans. In short, this is not your ordinary mortgage. It's a modern financial tool that combines a home loan with the features of a checking account, allowing your money to multitask in ways that a typical 30-year mortgage never could. So what is this all-in-one loan? It's the nation's first of its kind offset mortgage program. Technically, it's a 30-year first lien home equity line of credit that's integrated with a sweep checking account. In practical terms, your mortgage and your bank account, they become one. Here's how it works in a nutshell. As you deposit your income, rent, salaries, business revenue, investment income, whatever it is, into this account, those deposits immediately reduce your loan principal. The key to this is interest is calculated only on your remaining daily balance, not the original loan amount. So every dollar of income, it offsets your interest until you need to spend it. When you do have the expenses, you withdraw or write a check as you normally would today. The funds, they are readily accessible, readily available 24/7 for your use. In essence, every penny in your account is either reducing your debt or financing your needs on demand. Look, here's some of the key features of this program. So by merging the banking and the borrowing, the all-in-one loan, it lets you harness your cash flow to work for you. Here's the standout benefits of this program and the all-in-one and how it works. The first one, interest savings. Because every deposit goes towards lowering your balance, you pay interest only on what you owe at any given time. It's computed, the interest, on a daily average balance. This means significantly less interest accrues. Borrowers can save tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest over the life of the loan. It's money that would have normally gone to the bank in a traditional mortgage. Number two, faster payoff with less interest to pay allows more of each payment to attack your principal. Many of the all-in-one users find that they become mortgage-free in roughly half the amount of time as a standard 30-year loan, sometimes even sooner, without making any higher monthly payments. It's a smarter allocation of your existing cash flow that naturally accelerates the debt payoff. Number three is liquidity and flexibility. Unlike your conventional mortgage where your money that you pay into it is locked away, here your funds remain accessible. The all-in-one loan functions just like a regular checking account, complete with ATM access, Visa debit cards, checks, online bill pay, everything that you normally have today. You retain 24/7 access to your home equity so that you can respond to investment opportunities or emergencies instantaneously. There's no need to apply for a separate line of credit or refinance when you need to tap into your equity. You already have a line of credit on hand. Look, here it is. It's one account that gives you that hits multiple goals. This single account, it can serve all of these goals simultaneously. By saving on interest and time, you free up capital that can be redirected to your business, new investments, or other priorities that you may have. In fact, every dollar saved on interest is a dollar more for your retirement, your next property, or your next business venture. It's a way to self-finance your ambitions more efficiently. So let's go to savvy business people. The all-in-one loan, it's particularly powerful for these individuals because it makes your money work smarter, not harder. No matter what your field is, it offers distinct advantages. So let's talk about real estate investors. Well, you can get greater cash flow on rentals and the agility to fund new property purchases by simply writing a check from your mortgage account. Your rental income, it immediately drives down your debt balance. And when an opportunity arises, say a down payment on a new investment property, you already have quick access to funding. This loan, it essentially lets your equity sit on call for your next deal while minimizing interest costs in the meantime. It does double duty for you. Look, let's talk about entrepreneurs and business owners. This is a perfect loan for these people. Manage irregular cash flow with ease. Look, in high income months, you can park surplus funds into the loan to automatically curb your interest costs. In lean times, or when capital is needed, draw on the line to support your business. It's like having a built-in business line of credit that doubles as a profit saver. You maintain full liquidity while effectively putting idle cash to work. This flexibility, it can stabilize finances and fuel growth without the usual banking hurdles. Have you ever tried to call the bank to get another loan? Corporate executives is another example, and high net worth individuals. You can optimize your wealth by making your idle cash and savings do double duty. Look, large bonuses, stock proceeds, or savings can sit in the all-in-one account and immediately start reducing your mortgage burden. You'll effectively earn a guaranteed return in the form of interest not paid to the bank, which is equivalent to your loan rate. This is a prudent move for capital that might otherwise languish in a low-yield account. Meanwhile, your funds remain fully accessible for any strategic investments or major expenditures that you may have. It's safe, it's efficient, and you can leverage liquidity without sacrificing financial security. Look, this isn't just theory. We've had this loan, CMG, for 20 years. It's working for people right now. Savvy homeowners across the country have been using the all-in-one loan to gain financial freedom much faster. Some have even been able to acquire a second property purely through the flexibility and savings that this program provides. For example, one customer, they reported that they were able to renovate their dream home and purchase a beach house, a feat that they credit to the all-in-one loan and its unique structure. Others, they simply just note the peace of mind in seeing their interest cost plummet. In short, it's a proven strategy for those who demand more efficiency from their money. Look, I'm going to conclude by basically saying this is a smarter way to borrow. In today's fast-paced financial world, it's truly an innovative solution that stands out. The all-in-one loan is such a game changer, a loan that blurs the line between borrowing and banking to put you, the borrower, in control of your money. It's polished, it's professional, and it's built for people who think beyond the status quo. Look, in under 5 minutes, you now have a taste of how this program works and what it could mean for your finances. No other mortgage product does more to lower the cost of home ownership and maximize your benefits. If you're intrigued by the idea of paying off your mortgage faster while keeping your cash flow flexible, the all-in-one loan, it deserves a serious look. It might just be the key to financing your life's goals more cleverly and efficiently than you had ever thought possible.